Hello guys, today special video, special recipe, because I am with my friends that is a video maker.
Crispurple.
Exactly, so today he will be the cameraman. For the recipe, I have already prepared the dough at home, this one. The ingredients are always the same: 450 grams of flour, 250 ml of water, 7 grams of dry yeast, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of salt, and 1 or 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. For the tomato sauce, I use 400 grams of tomato sauce, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, garlic, and oregano. Now I will prepare the pizza, and after we will cook in the barbecue. Also the barbecue is homemade from our friend. So we prepare the dough. Very important things: the barbecue should be very hot, and also you need to have the fire, but I will explain you later when we cook our pizza. Okay, you watch that the fire is very strong. The problem is that near the fire the pizza will cook faster. So after 3, 4, 5 minutes you need to check. You need to turn the pizza from the other side. In this way all the crust will cook in the same way. Be careful because it's very hot.
Non ti vedo. Veronica t'ammazza.
Buona mozzarella. Spectacular. Ciao ciao.
Ciao ciao. Ma qualcun altro.